Welcome to our guide on converting USDT to cash. First, let's discuss what USDT is and why it matters in the crypto world. Wix is an easy-to-use platform for building websites, making it ideal for entrepreneurs looking to accept USDT. Let's set up your Wix website to accept USDT. Start by accessing the payment settings in your dashboard. Next, integrate a payment processor that supports USDT transactions like BitPay or CoinGate. Here's the step-by-step process to convert your USDT to cash. Follow these simple steps to get started. You can withdraw your funds to your bank account or convert them into local currency based on your preference. Make sure to consider any fees associated with the conversions and withdrawals. It's important to ensure that your transactions are secure. Enable two-factor authentication for added security. Always have customer support ready for your users. This builds trust and helps resolve any issues promptly. In conclusion, these steps will help you effectively use your Wix site for USDT transactions. Remember to stay informed.